Oil-free, dough-free, gluten-free, nut-free, super quick and easy, super tasty, super creamy chocolate mousse made with coffee, because chocolate and coffee are a true love story. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw 4 ounces of a dark chocolate into a blender, along with 6 dates. And 1.5 cups of a hot coffee. Next, just blend it until super smooth. Now let it cool in the fridge. And enjoy your coffee dating a chocolate mousse. Thanks for watching.